Hello everyone, you are highly welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to be solving this problem on the board. So now let's see how we are going to solve this system of equations from the beginning. So now we are going to have what we're going to have. Now we have the square root of 2 to the power of x minus 1 then equals 4 to the power of y. Right, so I'm going to rewrite this because whenever you have the square root of the square root, the same thing as what? Same thing as having 1 over 2, where the square root we turn to we turn to a fractional index. So now from there we're going to have 2 to the power of x minus 1 then to the power of 1 over 2 then equals this 4 here will be written in index form as 2 to the power of 2 then to the power of what? To the power of y. So moving on, we're going to have 2 going to have 2 to the power of x minus 1. This we have to multiply this, then we're going to have x minus 1 then divide by 2 then equals 2 to the power of this, we multiply this, so we're going to have what? We're going to have 2y. All right, so from here, because we are having the same basis, okay, so we are going to equate the exponent, and that's going to be x minus 1 divided by 2 then equals 2y. All right, so moving further, so we are going to clear the fraction by multiplying both sides by 2. That is, we're going to have this multiplied by 2 and this multiplied by 2. Then I'm going to be having our solution to be 2 into x minus 1 divided by 2 then equals 2 times 2, we have 4y. Or then you can see that this, we cancel this here. All right, so moving further, so we're going to have x minus 1 then equals what? Equals 4y. Now let me write it in a formal way, or in a way that is that makes sense. I have x, we transpose this to this side, that is 4y minus 4y, then I will transpose 1 to the other side, we're going to have 1. Okay, so let's call this equation a. Let's call this equation a. Now, so therefore, similarly, we have to go to the second equation, which is this here. Okay, now we are going to do the same thing. So we have change the roots to power, that is fractional power, our index. So we are going to have what we're going to have. From there, we have what? We have the square root. We have the square root. We have the square root of what? Of 4 to the power of y plus 1, okay, which is equals to 2 to the power of x minus 2. All right, so the same thing, we're going to have 4 to the power of y plus 1 then all to the power of 1 over 2 then equals 2 to the power of x minus 2. Understood? So we move on. So here we're going to have 4 the same way we did up there. So this, for y plus 1, we multiply 1 over 2. So we're going to have what? We're going to have y plus 1 all over 2 then equals 2 to the power of x minus 2. Understood? So we have what? We have 4 here. So now from there, so we can write this 4 here in index form. So to be 2 to the power of 2, we have 2 to the power of 2. All right, then to the power of y plus 1 over 2 then equals 2 to the power of x minus 2. All right, so moving further, so we're going to have what? We're going to have 2. You see that this power, we multiply this, we cancel the power if you do the multiplication. So we're going to have y plus 1 then equals, we have 2 to the power of x minus 2. Okay, so moving further, we are going to have, since we are having the same basis, okay, we are going to equate the exponent, and we're going to have what? we're going to have y plus 1 equals x minus 2. Okay, so I'm going to write it as x minus y by transposing this to this side. All right, x minus y, and I'm going to have 1 then plus 2. So from there we have x minus y be equals to 3. Then we have this to be equation b. So let me go and bring the equation a. The equation a is x minus 4y equals 1. X minus 4y equals 1. X minus 4y then equals 1. That is what? That is equation what? Equation e. So now we are going to simplify or solve these two equations simultaneously. All right, so what I'm going to do, so if I subtract the both sides here, so x minus x, we're going to have a 0. Then we have minus y minus 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 into minus 4y, then equals 3 minus what? 3 minus 1. Then we are going to have what? So from there we are going to have a minus y plus 4y, then equals 3 minus 1 is 2. So I'm going to have what? I'm going to have minus y plus 4y. That will give 3y, then equals 2. So from there, we are going to divide both sides by 3. Y will be 2 over 3. So we have y to be 2 over 3. That's the first one of the solution. So now the second one is that we're going to put y equals 2 over 3 in what? In any of the equation. So let me pick equation b. Equation b is simpler, so I'll pick equation b. So what is there in equation b? Equation b state that x minus y equals 3. X minus y equals 3. So I'm going to have x to be 3 plus what? Plus y. So x is now going to be 3 plus what is y? Y is 2 upon 3. All right, so moving on, so we're going to have x will be equals. Now from here you see that this is like over 1. Then try to write this. We have 3, so we have 3 multiply this, 3 multiply x multiply, I mean y multiply 2. So from there we're going to have 9 plus what? Plus 2. All right, so we see that x equals 9 plus 2, we have 11, then divide by 3. So we have x to be 11 over 3, and we have y to be 2 over 3. So these are the possible solutions, or these are the solutions we have, and they are valid solutions. So you can actually, check for the validity. I have done that, and they satisfy the equation. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.